Welcome to Famous People, English Stories. Ready to level up your English? Here we learn through stories slow, clear, and fun. Listen, relax, and enjoy the journey.
Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Imagine earning without working every hour of the day. Today, we will explore exciting passive income ideas, ways to make your money work for you. Chapter 1. What is passive income? Passive income means earning money with little ongoing effort after the initial work is done. Unlike a regular job, where you trade your time for money, passive income keeps coming in, even when you're resting or doing something else. Think of it like planting a tree. You spend time planting the seed, watering it, and taking care of it in the beginning. After a while, the tree grows and produces fruit every year, without much extra effort from you. The fruit is your passive income. Some important words here. Initial, this means first or at the beginning. For example, the initial work is the effort you put in before your income starts. Ongoing, this means continuing or happening all the time. Passive income requires little ongoing work. Effort, this means physical or mental energy used to do something. Understanding passive income is important because it can help you build financial freedom, the ability to live without worrying about money every day. Chapter 2. Popular passive income ideas explained. Let's look at some popular passive income ideas. Each has unique advantages, so you can find what suits you best. Rental properties. If you own a house or apartment, you can rent it to others and get paid every month. It takes some work to manage tenants or repairs, but it can bring steady income. Dividend stocks. When you buy shares, pieces, of a company, some companies pay you a part of their profits. This payment is called a dividend. It's like getting a thank you gift for owning part of the company. Creating digital products, writing an ebook or designing an online course can bring passive income. After creating the product once, you can sell it many times online. Affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products on your website or social media. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, a small percentage of the sale. Let's explain a couple of tricky words. Dividend, money paid regularly by a company to its shareholders, owners of company shares. Commission, a fee or percentage paid to someone for helping make a sale. Tenant, a person who rents a place to live. Chapter 3. Why passive income matters for English learners. As an English learner, building passive income can give you freedom to focus on learning, traveling, or spending time with family. It helps reduce stress about money and offers a chance to improve your lifestyle. Also, working on passive income ideas often improves your English skills. For example, writing a blog or creating videos in English helps you practice reading, writing, and speaking. Marketing your products or services improves vocabulary related to business and finance. Imagine the power of earning money while practicing English at the same time. Chapter 4. How to start your passive income journey. Starting is easier than you think. First, decide which idea matches your interests and skills. Next, learn more about it through free resources like YouTube or online courses. Remember, most passive income ideas need some effort at the start, like writing your first ebook or saving money to buy stocks. But once you set things up, income can grow with little daily work. Here are some tips. Be patient. Passive income usually grows slowly but steadily. Keep learning new skills, especially English, to communicate better and understand new opportunities. Use online tools to manage your income sources, for example, websites for selling digital products or managing rental properties. Now that you know what passive income is and some great ideas to start, why not try one today? Choose something small, learn as you go, and watch your money begin to work for you. If you want more videos to improve your English and learn about money, subscribe to the channel and join our community.